Hi, today we are doing a burping video, and down in the description down below, please give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Okay, we are about to start. Earlier I was doing really loud burps before I did this video. Sometimes when I burp, I pretend like I'm a lion roaring off a Lion King. If you want to burp like me, you have to suck in air like this. You can hear the noise from my throat. Look. That sounded weird. And there are different kinds of burps. So there's one where you try to roar like the Lion King. Here, let me show you. And there's that man. And you can burp the words too, like dolphins. Okay. And this man that doesn't give a fuck about the other people. And this is what he sounds like when he burps after he finishes his food. Okay, the way to roar like a lion, you need to do these things. So when you suck up the air, shallow the air, you have to go. Oh, you're burping like this. Okay? Okay? And there's these loud helicopter burps. I want to see if I can do one. Oh, and if you don't know who this is Sweet Cupcake Setting. That was what I was looking for. This is hard. And there's a snack burps. Yeah. Last couple burps. I'm gonna try to make them good, okay? Here's one for in your face. That was good. Alright, bye you guys. And see you in my next video. Bye-bye for now.